Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook slow loading. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if your Facebook app right here, or even the website won't load properly, or it just doesn't load, it is usually caused by a poor internet connection. Alright, so you might want to check your internet. Make sure that you're currently connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then just go ahead over to your favorite browser. So for example, I have here Google Chrome. For iOS, go ahead and find Safari, and then just type down in the URL box speed test, and then you'll find run speed test right here, or speed test by Ookla. You can try these websites right here. So I have Google Chrome. I can run speed test right here. Now, if yours says 1 MB right here or below, well, that might be the case. Okay? So all you got to do is just wait it out. Wait for your internet service provider to fix their issue. And then after that, go ahead and open up Facebook and everything should work perfectly fine. Now, let's say you have plenty of speed right here, but Facebook still doesn't load properly. Well, go ahead and close the browser, find Facebook or the Facebook app icon, just tap and hold onto it. Now tap on the information icon, and this is, by the way, for Android users. Now, if you are using iOS, go ahead over to Settings, General, then find Facebook, tap on it, and tap on Offload Data, okay? For Android, tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache first, all right? Wait a bit, and once your cache right here is cleared, tap on Clear Data, okay? And everything right here will be cleared. Once that's done, close it, find Facebook, open it up, and sometimes it will ask you to log in. So just go ahead and log in, and after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, find your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and look for Facebook right here, just like so. And then make sure that you update it, okay? So if it says update, tap on it, wait for the process to finish, hit on open, and you should be good to go. And if all else fails, there will be a downtime from the Meta servers. So you can go ahead and open up your browser again and look for is Facebook down, okay, just like so. And you'll be able to see an AI overview right here, or you can go ahead and check other websites, okay, to see the status. But that's just basically it. That is how you fix Facebook slow loading. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.